This is how I was able to change my truck brake fluid. I used a vacuum cleaner and a sprayer contraption to do it. I'll put a link on how it's made video in the description. It's important to change the brake fluid every 3 years. I first pulled the fluid in the reservoir to the middle so that air is not introduced to the system. This is done with this contraption. If air gets into the system, then we risk doing this oil change 2 or more times. I filled it to the top with new brake fluid. And here I am opening the rear left brake cylinder nipple and attaching a 1/4-inch soft hose to it. I removed the tire to show the process, but it is not necessary to do so. Now the vacuum cleaner is started. The old fluid is now being pulled and replaced with new fluid. The bubbles are not from the brake system, but because the vacuum is so powerful, air from the atmosphere is sucked from the nipple loose threads. You can see the old brake black fluid coming out. This is how the system is pulling the fluid from the reservoir. So every time it reaches the middle, you have to top it up. Now we go to the other tire, rear tire, and do the same. And every time the fluid clears, you shut off the nipple, close it, and move to the next tire. But as long as it's dirty, you keep pulling. Now this is the front tire. Without removing the tire, we're opening the nipple, the brake cylinder nipple. It's tight as to loosen up, otherwise the vacuum cleaner will not be able to pull the fluid. Now it's full. For the whole process, I used 2.5 bottles of brake fluid, leaving a half bottle to for top-ups. And the fluid is still gathering. Here is now the used fluid of what the vacuum cleaner pulled. See how black it is. You need to check that the brake system is empty of any air, and in that case you need to do this again, or bleed the system with the conventional way. Thank you for watching.